Hey everyone, so I'm about to make some homemade french fries. I have some russet potatoes here, so I'm just gonna cut the edges of the potatoes, and then I'm gonna take my potato peeler and just peel it. Once I get all of this skin off, I'm gonna slice these up in nice thin strips. This is a really quick recipe, very easy. Instead of buying the store-bought fries, is so much better, and you can even put this in the air fryer. You don't have to stove top fry it if you don't want to. You can always, if you don't want to use the oil and stuff, because that's what I do. Sometimes I'll use the oil, most of the time I use the air fryer. So you just cut these up real thin, and then I'm going to soak these in some water. Overnight is ideal because it helps to take out the starch from the potato, which makes your fries more crispier and crunchier. So you can leave it soaking for about an hour. So I am going to let this pot heat up, and I'm going to add some oil. I'm going to put in my candy thermometer to make sure it get up to 375 degrees. Once it gets up to 375, I'm going to start frying my fries. I'm going to just place the potato. Be very careful because this oil is super hot. And you want to dry all the water out from the potato because the water will splash. If you put it in there, it will start splashing up. So you have to definitely dry these out really well. And also don't overcrowd the pot, because if you overcrowd your pot, it's gonna cool, the oil is gonna drop in temperature, and then your fries will come out soggy. So make sure you leave enough room between each fry so that it can fry evenly, and it's not gonna do that. So you see, I'm kind of spacing it out there. Don't overcrowd the pot at all. So you want to fry this until it gets golden brown. You will see it start changing in color, and that's when you know it's ready. So this is the color that you want. So I'm just going to remove it and put it in a bowl with a paper towel inside to drain out the oil. And that's it. So your fries are ready. I'm gonna fry another batch, but for the seasoning on the fries, I usually put seasoning. So these are, you could do Cajun, which is that slap your mama, or you can use Creole seasoning. I'm going to use the Cajun seasoning today. It's kind of like a Popeye's fry taste, not 100%, but it's close enough. And that's what I put on there. So I had these fries with some barbecue lamb, and it was really good. It tasted really good with the barbecue and the garlic sauce and everything. So I hope you try this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and comment and let me know if you try your homemade fries. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.